How to become a food vlogger with AI. These videos are advert videos that you can actually create for restaurants, for big food companies, and earn money. I created these videos with AI, just a text, and the videos were ready, just a text. Now these videos, you can actually create them for free. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize your social media platforms, how to work with AI tools, and how to edit videos. Today, I will be teaching you how to actually become a food blogger and work with many food brands, make money, because these videos, just a 15-second video can earn you up to $500 working with a big brand. Yes. So I'll be teaching you how to actually start up your own food blogging page or channel here on social media, making money with the videos, and again getting deals, brand deals from different food companies. Let's go. Let me teach you how to do this. First off, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section. Now, these things that I'll be teaching you will be a step-by-step procedure, and all these steps are actually free. But right now, if you're going into content and you want to be a channel, you want to own a channel, do not forget that AI tools are upgrading every day. So an AI tool might be free today and tomorrow you need to pay for it. So as an AI creator, make sure you keep a $10 somewhere that you'll be paying for your AI tool any day, anytime it gets to upgrade, because yeah, that's the cheapest that we get these days. So yeah, let's go into this tutorial. Let me teach you how to. Do not forget to comment in the comment section. Tell me which AI tool you want me to review for you next, or tell me which tutorial of what kind of channel you want to start with AI, and I'll be doing this for you for free. So let's go into this tutorial. Let me teach you how to do this thing. So the first thing that you need to do is you open your app. The first app that you'll be using to get your pictures ready will be the PicLumen app, okay? So I'll click and open my PicLumen's app now. For those who don't know PicLumen, this is how it looks. It's a purple app, purple and white, this one, okay? I'll link it in the description box below. Now I'll click and I open the PicLumen app. Now when you open your PicLumen app like this, you need to register on this app with your email. You can register with your email, or you can register with anything that you want to. So when you're done registration and you verify your account on PicLumen, come down here where you see explore, then you see create, you see tools, you see personal. Down here you click on create. Now these are creations that other people have created, and you can actually copy and create stuffs like this. But yeah, today we are creating something else. So I'll click on create, which is down here. Once I click on create, the next thing that I'll be doing is where you say what do you want to draw here, that is it. I'll click on there and I'll paste my prompt. Now this prompt, I'll be putting them all in the description box, okay? All the prompts will be in the description box. I'll put them in the description box and in the comment section. So you can re-edit this prompt. Let's say we do the first one is a burger. The second one, you can do a sandwich. The third one, inside this very prompt, you can actually re-edit them and generate more than 50 different images before you turn them into videos. So that is something a lot of people don't tell you. So you can actually edit the prompt style. Now after putting in this prompt, the next thing is I'll click on generate and I'll wait for this to generate. So let's generate and then wait for it to generate. So mostly it's not about a copy and paste. When somebody copies something and paste, just look between the lines or within the lines where you see burger this, you can actually change it to a sandwich, you can change it to a meal of your choice or anything. Now I like this one looks good, you know. Now when you're done and this is what you want, you click on the three dots by the side below right side. You see the three dots, you click and it asks you to download, then you download. Now let's go to the next image. This one is nice as well. I'll click on the three dots below right side and I'll download. Now we've downloaded our images. Let's create the next image, okay? I'll click again where it says what do you want to draw, the same movement. Click, get your prompt, and I'll paste the prompt again. Like I said, all these prompts will be in the description box, okay? All these prompts will be in the description box. After this, I'll click again on generate. Again, make sure you can edit, re-edit between the prompt, so you all don't get same images, okay? So you can re-edit them anyhow you want. Let's wait for this to generate as well. Please, if you don't subscribe till now, click and subscribe, share, and click the notification bell. So each time I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. So let's wait for the image to generate. Ooh, okay. I like this one. Let's see. Just imagine you're doing an advert for someone's store or someone's restaurant and you're getting this. I'll save this as well again. Now I'll creating the last image. Okay, so we are creating the last image now. I'll click here. Before we go to creating the video, I'll click here. I'll paste the prompt and I'll click on generate. After this, now we'll go to create the videos. Okay, we'll turn the images into videos. But the most important part is getting the image, because if you do not get the image, you can never get the video correctly. So yeah, let's do this and wait for it to generate as well. Okay, so these ones are now nice. I love this. Okay, so I'll just click on save, download, click on the other one, download. So mind you, PicLumen is free, very, very much free. You can use it for free. So let's go to the next app, turn these images into videos. Okay, so the next app, which is for video generation, I'll go to the Kling AI. So this is Kling AI. This is how it looks like. A lot of you have used Kling AI before. So this is how Kling AI actually looks like. Now, what I'll do here on Kling AI, you can see AI image, you can see image to video, and it has different more tools here. So I'll just click on image to video. Once I click on image to video, please, before you start on this app, you need to register on the app. Everybody knows already, before you use any tool, any app, you must register with your email. It is very important to register with your email. Now, when you're done doing your registration with your email, then you click on image to video. Okay, so I'll click on image to video. Once you click on image to video, you see here where it says upload photos. Okay, under frames, upload photos. Now I'll click there where it says upload photos. Once you click, they'll say select from gallery. I'll click and I'll select from the gallery. So I'll actually take the image we generated, those images. I'll take one of them because we want to turn them into a video. Now, once you take those images, the next thing you need to do down here where it says prompt, okay, describe the scene and action. For example, a beautiful lady in an oil painting. Yeah, this is where they're asking you to describe and put what you want for your image. Now, I'll put in the prompt that I use in creating this image. I'll put in the prompt. I'll just paste it again, which you already know. You all have them already in the comment section. So this is what I'll put in now. After putting this in, I'll click on generate. So each generation costs 20 coins. And this app is giving you 60 coins to use per day, which means you can actually generate 3 free videos every day from Kling AI. So now I'll click on generate. So we're waiting for it to generate. We are here. It's taking time, but yeah. Once you click on generate, it will ask you to wait. So here it's saying 2 minutes. Image will be ready in 2 minutes. So we'll wait after 2 minutes when this image is done generating, and I'll show you the results. Okay, so yeah, this is how you actually generate your images and then you turn them into videos. It is very important that you know how to do this, because you can work with any brand of your choice, anytime, any day. You can work with any brands. Again, guys, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to generate for you. So I'll be waiting. Like I said, they're giving you 3 free images to use every day, to generate every day. So if you want to do more generations, you need to pay for the app. Yeah. So wait and I'll come back and show you the results. So this is the Kling AI. Let's go check out our video that we were creating. So I'll click on assets, because that's where my videos are. Then I click on the video. So you can see, oh, this is so nice. Like, it is super perfect. Now when you're done, you just click on download and you download your video in your phone and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. Let me download. Click download and you're good. Video in your phone. Let's go now and put this video together like an advert video. Okay, let's go, guys. So now what I'll do is I'll open my CapCut app. Open your CapCut. Once your CapCut is open, you click on new project. So once you click on new project, you pick in all your images. So I'll be bringing in all my videos that I just created. These are the videos. We'll bring them in. So you have all your videos here like that. Now what you need to do with all these videos is you just add sounds, okay? Adding sounds, you click on audio, then you click on sound fix, you click on your sound, okay? So I'll just be adding sound now because we want this to be nice. Okay, so I'll use this sound, and this sound will actually play like the sound under this image or this video. Now let's say, okay, so normally if you do not want to put any sound under here, you do not want to put a sound, you want to actually use your voice as the person who is doing the advert, right? Because this is actually your advert and these are your product and you want to be a food blogger. Now the next thing that you need to do is to do a voiceover. Now you can actually record yourself doing this voiceover, talking while this image is standing in front of you like an overlay, or you can just finish creating all these videos. Then you come here and you click on recording. You click on record, you record your voice. When you're done recording your voice, you make sure you export your video at 1080p and export your video to your phone and you're good to go. So the next thing that we'll do is just to put our video on 1080p, which is the high quality, and then we click on export and we export our video. And you can now send this video to the company that you're working with, or you can post it on your page. You're good to go. Your advert video is super ready. Like, this is the one that I really want to say easy peasy lemon squeezy, because yeah.